Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Forms and selecting the exact form you want to disable. Once the form loads, make sure you are signed into the owner or an editor account. Without editing rights, you cannot change sharing. Next, click the Send button to view current distribution options, because this view shows how the link is being used. While here, pause and check whether responses are being collected automatically, so you know if disabling the link will stop incoming data. Once you're verified as an editor, go into the Send dialog and choose the link icon to see the public URL. Then exit that panel and open the Form Settings gear to access response controls. This is where you toggle accepting responses off. If the form was shared via Google Drive, switch to Drive sharing and revoke link access, or change it to restricted, which stops anyone without explicit permission from opening the form. Make sure to save changes so the link becomes inactive. Finally, verify the link is disabled by opening it in an incognito window or having someone not signed into your account try it. This confirms public access is blocked. Once confirmed, inform collaborators and replace the form's header with a short message if you want respondents to know why it's closed. If the link remains accessible, double-check drive sharing settings, embedded copies on websites, and clear caches. Sometimes an embedded copy or retained permission somewhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.